Good evening, everyone. And so here we go with another video. This is a very exciting video. This is a cruise packing video for my wife and I's upcoming cruise. I want to take a few minutes and show you some of the things that I'm packing for the cruise, just for your information. First, we got standard. Got not my nice loud Under Armour shirt. Got that packed. The old, standard old man cruise shirt. Got that packed. Got this one from Pearl Harbor. All right, it shows all the different battleships of Pearl Harbor. I really like that shirt. Standard bathing suit. Be packing 2 of those. Somewhat nice shirt for whenever we perhaps dine out, or dine in, I should say. So there's your collared dress shirt. And as it's still August and it'll still be warm whenever we go, I'll be packing some standard shorts. First really somewhat interesting thing that I wanted to show you guys are these luggage tags. My wife found these on Amazon, and they are absolutely time-saving and very, very convenient. Look these up on at Amazon. They are very, very good for your cruise and so on. Another thing I wanted to show you guys that, again, my wife found. Because you're going to be limited with your USB plugins and your charge plugins, something like this is extremely convenient. I don't know if you can see this, but you can pack your AirPods, you can pack your Apple Watch, and you can pack your phone all at the same time at night whenever you go to bed. Very, very convenient. This one is called UCOMS. I don't know if you can see it. You can look it up. Another standard thing at a cruise is going to be your standard lanyard. Okay, we are Vacation Club members, which if you guys want more information on that, not that I'm trying to sell you, but if you want to know what that's about, drop a little comment down and I'll be glad to talk to you about it. But there's you basically want this whenever you're on the cruise ship. You want to have your room key in there, because your room key, of course, serves for charging and, of course, getting back in your room and so on. So very important to have that. This, ladies and gentlemen, is clutch. I know you don't know what this is, but that's okay. Basically, this is a wrist strap. You put this on your wrist. This is the only way you can film with your action camera, which I have an Insta360 that I use, which I will be using on this cruise. So your camera is going to mount here, and this is the only thing you can wear. They'll allow you to wear as far as an action camera whenever you go on the slide. Okay, so clutch right here, wrist strap. Another thing that a lot of people enjoy, including Elisa and I, are these different magnets that you can put to decorate your door. We got this one here specially designed. All right, I happen to like that one a lot. And then I like the goofy one too. And so you put these on your door and it just kind of adds a little personality to your cruise. Really like that. And basically the last thing that I want to show you on this video, I'm very, very excited. I'm going to be rocking my rash guard from Hawaii. This is the rash guard that I purchased in Hawaii whenever I went on my dive in Hawaii. So pretty excited about wearing that during the cruise. And the last rash guard that I have is a standard Ron Jon Surf Shop. I'll be wearing that as well. And I guess I can show y'all. Normally I carry on this onto the cruise, something like this. This is my nice Darth Vader black carry-on. And I will also wear a backpack, which has all of our essentials. As I think I've talked about in another video, you certainly want to have like your medicine, your swim trunks, change of clothes, whatnot, on a carry-on backpack whenever you are boarding your cruise, because chances are your room's not going to be ready right away. So you want to have that on you whenever you first board the ship. And that will about do it for this video. Obviously, we're very excited with the upcoming cruise. This is going to be a Disney cruise. And one little side note about this one is we're going to be, for the first time, we're going to be in an inside stateroom. So my wife is very, very apprehensive about that. She's nervous about it. I'm excited about saving a little bit of money with the inside stateroom. I want to see how it's going to work out. And of course, we're going to show you that. So make sure that you like this video, subscribe, and stay tuned, because we have a Disney cruise right around the corner. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you at the next one.